Good morning, my dear children. I suppose you all are well and studying. So, today we will discuss the rest questions of the chapter Wonderful West. So, let's get started. Okay, students, earlier we have discussed the question answers and some exercises of the same chapter. Today we are going to complete this chapter, okay, with the exercises also. So, let's start. See, in this you need to tell whether the statement is true or false. So, the first statement is the king had ordered a dinner in the palace. I suppose you all know the answer, right? See the next sentence. No one had heard of the tasted avial before. So, we all know well that the avial was a new dish, right? So, what the statement is saying, whether the statement is true or false? Yes, you all are guessing it right. Okay, see the third statement. The cook had planned to make another dish using the vegetable scraps. Is this so? Yes or no? Okay, you will do all the true false yourself. Let's see the next exercise. Given in the box are some things that children do after they reach home from school. So you do so many things now after reaching home. So here is a box, and in this box so many activities are given, right? And you need to arrange in a proper sequence, step by step. Okay, like see the activities that is given in the box. Pack school bag. So this you do in the early in the morning, right? And put away school bag. So many activities are there. So you need to arrange all the activities according to the sequence that you do as day-to-day life. See, let's see what is in this exercise. The Maharaja was a wise man and ordered the cook to use the vegetable scraps instead of throwing them away. Name some of the things which are thrown away at home or in school. So in this exercise you need to make a list of those things that we use to throw them, either that things in school or at home. So in this question you need to make the list of that particular things. Okay, see the next one. Sit in groups of 4 and think of interesting ways in which they can be made useful. So okay, now you are at home right now, so you can make a group with your parents or with your siblings or with your brother sister. Okay, sit with your sisters or your brothers and discuss how you can use this, right? And if you are confused you can ask your parents too, right? How the waste can be useful. I'm sure your elder will suggest you the better way how you can use the waste materials. See the last, put your findings on the class board. Okay, so you all need to paste whatsoever you have find. Okay, throughout these vacations you need to paste that on your class board when the school will open. Okay, so suppose this activity is very interesting, you all need to do at home. Now the last one, word building. Pair work. Some words have more than one meaning. For example, point. So what is the meaning of point? If we take point as noun, so it is the a dot in print or writing, or you can say full stop or decimal, right? The number you scored in a game. Okay, we can say how many points you get in the game. We used to say this, right? So point can use like this way also. But when we use point as a verb, so it is to show or call attention to something. So here is a word point and we are using this word by two ways. For example, how many points Rahul got in the cricket match? So there in this example point is used as a noun. And point out the difference between both the words. Now in this sentence, when I'm saying point out the difference, it means here point is used as a verb. Okay, I suppose this is clear. Now see, look up the following words in the dictionary. They may have more than one meaning. List these meanings. See, there are few words that are given below: ground, service, scrap, sternly, tempting. So dear friends, what you need to do in this exercise, you need to find out the meaning of these words from dictionary, and you will write the meaning. And one more thing that you can do, you all can make sentences with all these words. Okay, so I suppose you all have enjoyed these exercises. And dear friends, if you face any problem, you can talk to me. Okay, so do well and stay fit, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye, take care.